Structure of eye. Eye is one of the sensory organ of the body. The structure of the eye is the important topic to understand as it one of the important sensory organ in the human body. It is the mainly responsible for vision differentiation of color. The human eye can differentiate approximately 10 to 12 million colors and maintain the biological clock of the human body. The human eye can be compared to camera as both work by gathering focus and transmitting the light through the lens of creating an image and object. Structure of eye. Eye have a three structure of the eye. First, external structure. Second, main structure of eye. Third, internal structure. First, external structure of eye. External structure of eye have three subdivision. First, eyelid. Eyelid protect the eye from injury, debris, and excessive light. Help in expanding moisture over the surface of the eye. Second, conjunctiva, a thin transparent membrane covering the wide part of the eye and the inner surface of the eyelid. Provide lubrication and protection against infection. Third, lacrimal apparatus. Lacrimal gland located above the eye. These glands produce tear that keep the eye moist and help flush away debris. Nasolacrimal duct drain tear into the nasal cavity. Eye second structure, main structure of the eye. Main structure of the eye have many subdivision. First, sclera, a tough white outer layer of eye, provide structural support and protection of the inner components. Second, cornea, a clean dome-shaped layer at the front of the eye, helps to focus light as it enters the eye and by reflecting light layer. Third, iris, the color part of the eye made up of muscles that control the size of the pupils, regulate the amount of light entering the eye and adjusting pupil size. Fourth, pupil, the black circular opening in the center of eye allow light to enter the eye. Its size change in response to light intensity. Fifth, lens, a transparent flexible structure located behind the pupil, change shape to focus light into the retina for clear vision. 6. Ciliary body, a ring of muscles surrounding the lens, controlling its shape for focusing. Produce aqueous humor, the fluid that nourishes the eye and maintain pressure. Choroid, a layer rich in blood vessels between the retina and sclera, provide oxygen and nutrient to the eye, especially the retina. Third structure of eye is internal structure that have first structure, retina, the innermost layer of the eye containing light sensitivity cells called photoreceptors. Rod and cones. Rod detect black and white vision and function is low light. Cones detect color and provide sharp detailed vision in bright light. Internal structure, second subdivision, macula, a small central part of the retina responsible for a high accurate vision, allowing us seeing fine details. The center of the macula, called the fava, contains the highest concentration of cones and shape central vision. Third structure of inner internal structure, optic nerve. The transmitted meets visual information from the retina to the brain. The point where the optical nerve exists, the retina is called optic disc. For blind spot because it lacks photoreceptor. Fluid of the eye. Eye have two fluids. First, aqueous humor, a clear fluid produced by ciliary body, filling the anterior chamber between the cornea and lens, nourish the cornea and lens and help maintain intraocular pressure. Vitreous fluid. Vitreous humor, a gel-like substance that fills space between the lens and the retina. It helps maintain the eye shape and provide support for